Hi, this is Chandrasekhar Prabhu once again. Let us try and attempt to find solutions to the city of Mumbai. Let's take the problems one by one and try and give solutions. The problem for the high tides and the sea coming right into Marine Drive, Chowpatty, Nepean Sea Road, and Worli and most part of the city can only be sorted out if indiscriminate reclamation is controlled, and that can be done by revisiting the development plan and ensuring that unnecessary reclamation in the name of development be stopped forthwith. That which is required and essential for the city should be permitted, but that which is unnecessary must be immediately stopped. That's solution number one. Solution number two is those parts of South Mumbai, like Girgaon, like Opera House, like CP Tank, like Kalba Devi, like Mumba Devi, like Muhammad Ali Road, the portions which otherwise never got flooded have suddenly become flooded. The rains are responsible for it. Of course, we had high rains, heavy rains, but indiscriminate urbanization that has been permitted over a period of years in South Mumbai without having any regard or having total disregard for the topographical, geographical location of southern Mumbai is responsible for this flooding. South Mumbai needs to be treated separately when it comes to planning, and permissions for urbanization of South Mumbai needs to be given only after due respect to the aspect of flooding and taking away of storm water drains. Let's now come to the problem of the mill lands. Mill lands have been indiscriminately urbanized, but there are a lot of mill lands where the work has not yet commenced or it's halfway down. We really need to look at these development schemes afresh and ensure that more damage is not done. It is not just to stop development. Development can happen, but while development happens, we must ensure that the environment is not destroyed. Let's come to the rivers of the suburbs of Mumbai. A special planning group should look into what has been happening with the different rivers, be it Oshiwara, be it Dahisar, be it Poisar, be it Mithi, or be it the smaller rivulets, taking the water from the eastern parts of Mumbai, eastern suburbs, into the western suburbs, or taking the water from the national park into the sea. A comprehensive plan to ensure that flooding is not done while permitting development in a planned manner must be worked out. There is no such plan today. The Brimstoward has not yet been implemented, and it was conceived long time ago. Since then, lot of water has gone through the Mumbai's nalas. We need to relook at all this and make a comprehensive master plan to ensure that Mumbai doesn't get flooded again. It can be done, it is possible, and experts can sit and do it, but the government must have a positive view towards it. So solutions are there. The city can be saved if the government wants to save it. So let us get together and work on solutions to the city and ensure that the government listens to the people of the city and agrees to the solutions. With this is Chandrasekhar Prabhu bidding you au revoir. We shall come with more solutions for the city of Mumbai. Bye for now.